Hey, what's up? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm not going to cover so much about business credit. I'm going to be covering personal credit. A lot of the subscribers that are working on their business credit also said they need help with their personal credit. So today I'm going to be going over the Self Credit Builder loan. The review, I've used them to, I don't want to say rebuild, but build up my credit. So this isn't to repair your credit, but it can, work along the way to get your credit scores boosted up while you're working on removing negative things off your personal credit. So it's better to get started with something like this at the same time you're fixing your credit, because it can't really hurt your credit. It can only build up your credit. So anyways, without further ado, let's get into it. But before I go any further, I just want to ask, if you're not already a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button. I'd greatly appreciate that. And hit the bell notification so you can get alerted when I release new videos. Here and there I will release videos about personal credit, but this channel is primarily focused on building business credit. But I will set up a new channel for personal credit as well, and personal credit repair. So let's get right into it. So Self is a credit builder loan. So you sign up with them. I already have, so I can't go through every single process with you, but you basically apply for a credit builder account with them, and you pay as low as $25 a month. That gets reported to the business, or to the, I don't want to say business, but it gets reported to your personal credit reports, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian every month. And it gets reported as a installment loan. So the same as like a, say, auto loan or a house loan. So a lot of people may not have those type of loans, and they have revolving cards, and they could maybe have, nothing negative on their account at all, on their credit, but they don't have any installment accounts. So credit bureaus, and when you apply for credit, they like to see that you have a mixed type of credit. So having installment loan credit is definitely important. So anyways, so like I said, you sign up with them. I'll put the link in the description below. So after you do that, then you basically just pay off your credit builder account in a certain time period. You can pick that. I'll show you here in a minute. My login, you can see all that. But you can go as low as $25 a month for 24 months. You can pay it off early if you want to, like I did. I didn't do the full 24 months. For one, I did 6 months. Another one I did I believe 7 months, just to build up some accounts that were aged on there to show some history. How much it actually will boost your score, everybody's credit profile is different. This could boost your score a couple points or as high as 150 points or so, FICO points. So it just really depends. But if you have bad credit and you're working on repairing your credit, this is definitely an option for you, because while you're building up that personal credit and fixing your bad credit, this is going to be a positive, positive reporting to the credit bureaus. So anyways, let me get right into how it works here. So you see here, once you put in all your information, then you can say $25 is the minimum. So today you have to pay a one-time non-refundable administration fee of $9, and that's it. So you just have to pay $9 to get signed up, and then they start reporting. And then 30 days later, you have to pay $25 per month for 24 months. But like I said, some months you can pay $50 if you want, or whatever. But so this is going to go into a CD, through an actual bank. So on your credit report, it's not going to say self. It's going to say, like mine said, Atlantic Capital Bank. So they go through, I think, two different banks, SunTrust and Atlantic Capital Bank. So they run the CDs through. So it's secure. It's very cheap, you know. Like I said, it's $9 just to get set up, and then $25 per month while you build up your credit history with all three bureaus. After 24 months, you've established credit history, and you'll get $520 back. So you pretty much get almost all your money back, and it's in a CD. But after like 3 months, you can also, after you build up enough savings in your CD, you can request a secured card, and that will also report as a revolving card on your credit, like I did. You know, so I just rolled my CD savings, cashed out, and didn't really cash it out, but rolled it over to the secured card. So does it report to all three bureaus? Yes. It's insured. Can you pay it off early? Yes. Is this a traditional personal loan? No. Can I spend the loan amount today? No, you can't. Is there a hard pull on your credit? No, there's not. And then more details about it. There's a one-time fee, $9. The interest rate is 14.14%. The APR is 15.92%. Finance charges $89. So the total amount of payments is $600 over the life of the 24 months. So, of course, if you pay it off early and you just want to get 6 months, you're not going to have to pay all that. It's going to be lower than that. So, let's just go up to, say, if you can afford the $48 a month, that's going to be a 12-month term, $48 a month. And you'll basically get back $539, you know, and you'll see here the rates change, the interest rates go down to 12.44% because it's a shorter term, and the finance charge instead of 89 is 46. So you can see it gets cheaper if you do it that way, higher the amount that you go. So let's just say you want to do the highest amount they offer, and that's $150 a month. So make sure you can afford to pay that. So you pay $9 to set up today, and then next month it's $150 a month for 12 months. Like I said, you can pay it off early, but you really want to show at least 6 to 12 months, you know, credit history with this loan, credit builder loan, because that's what you're going to get. You're going to get the most points on your FICO scores, you know, showing longer history than just say a couple months. So after 12 months, you've established credit history, and you'll get $1,663 back. And you can see that the finance charge is $146. It went up higher, but not quite sure why that is. But yeah, it shows it's a higher finance charge. But then again, you really shouldn't worry about that. That's very little money. Like if it's like $12 a month, really, that you're paying over the term of the 12 months. You know, as far as what's going into what they're earning off of it. So, anyways, it's definitely a personal credit gem that I think not everybody, but if your score is in the, say, 500s or mid 600s, if you have negative bad credit, this isn't going to fix your negative credit. You still need to get that taken care of. And in other videos, like that's why I said subscribe, because in other videos I'll show you guys how to fix your negative credit and get things off your credit report the correct way. So, like I said, this isn't going to fix your credit, but it's going to help your credit. And it's definitely going to boost your credit scores. But everybody's credit profile is different. It can help just a little bit, or it can really boost your credit score. So say you're in the low 500s, you add this on, you're likely to see, you know, it's not unheard of for the first month or two of it being reported. It's not unheard of for your FICO score to go up anywhere from 30 to 60 points. You know, so it definitely has its place. And then also, you know, you may not have a whole lot of credit build up, and you don't have bad credit, but you don't have much credit build up, and you say have a lot of hard inquiries, and you're getting denied for things. So this will definitely help you, especially after 3 or 4 months. You may be able to get approved for unsecured credit cards, you know. So let me show you guys real quick, because I don't want to make this a long video, but I do recommend going through Self. I'll put the link in the description. It's my referral link. I think it's like I get $10 and you guys get a discount or something like that, I believe. But don't pay attention to this on my score, because this is the Vantage 3.0 Experian score, which I don't even pay attention to that at all, nor do banks even look at those scores. They look at the actual FICO 8 and FICO 9. My FICO scores are in between 740 and 790, between FICO 8 and FICO 9. So, and I did that all in a very short amount of time, you know. So you can see here, I did 2 credit builder loans, and you can see I have the card that have a balance of $36. You know, I keep it just around like credit utilization here, you know, it says 3%. So what I did is, after, they won't give you the Self card until you've built up, I think, 3 payments or 30% of the CD loan amount. So you're gonna have to wait until 30% has been, you know, paid into, I believe it's like 3 months or 4 months or so. But after that, you'll log in and you'll get a notification saying that if you want to, you can apply for their secured Self card. And you can't, it's not going to do a hard pull on your credit at all, but it does report also to all 3 credit bureaus. So that can help your score as well. And it lets you use part of that secured amount that you have tied up in the security deposit. You can see here how I have $975 security deposit. I didn't load that money or add that money to the Self card. They took it out of the CDs, the 2 CDs that I did. So it's like a borrowing against the CDs, you know. So and so I'm getting double reporting. So you can potentially get, you know, installment reporting and a you know, revolving secured credit card revolving on your credit report. So that definitely helps. It says right here 0 change to date, and I'm starting at 706. You know, I don't understand that, because my, you know, FICO scores have literally went up from like right at 600 to almost 800 FICO scores. So it could be because I've utilized a lot, I don't want to say utilized, but got a lot of recent credit, unsecured credit with high limits. So, but anyways, yeah, I think that's it for this video. So, yeah, it just says right here, my link. I'll put that in the description. You don't have to go through my link, but, you know, it doesn't hurt anything. Just, I think they just send like $10 or whatever. If you use my link, it helps, I guess, support this video and this channel. But like I said, you don't have to, but I would appreciate it if you did. So, but yeah, I think that's it for this video. Sorry to drag it out, but yeah, like I said here, you know, you can select the plan, and that's what I showed you here, you know, and find something that works for you. But I definitely recommend the Self credit builder loan for personal credit. If you have bad credit or limited credit or credit problems, definitely check it out and see if it's a good fit for you. Because, you know, even if you're building up business credit and you have bad personal credit, that's a problem. So you need to get that fixed. This can help you, but you still have to take care of the underlying problem that's causing you to have bad credit. But this is just one element to help you get there. Okay. All right, that's all for this video. You guys take care. Have a good day and be safe. And don't forget to hit the like button. And again, if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Till next time. Bye.